Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to have a little walk around Dynevor Castle near Llandovery, West Wales. Today we're exploring the stunning ruins of Dynevor Castle, a site steeped in Welsh history and legend. From its medieval origins to its role in the struggles for Welsh independence, this castle has seen it all. So let's take to the skies and uncover its fascinating story. And here we are, Dynevor Castle. Dynevor Castle, or Castell Dynevor in Welsh, dates back to at least the 12th century. It was once the stronghold of the powerful Princes of Dyfed, a kingdom that controlled much of South Wales. The site itself, however, may have been occupied even earlier, with some historians suggesting it was an important royal residence before the Norman invasion. The most famous ruler associated with Dynevor was Rhys ap Gruffydd, also known as the Lord Rhys. And in the 12th century, he transformed Dynevor into a symbol of Welsh resistance against Norman and English rule. Under his leadership, Dyfed flourished, and the castle became a centre of power, culture and governance. But like so many Welsh castles, Dynevor was caught in the endless struggle between the Welsh and the English. After Rhys ap Gruffydd's death in 1197, his descendants fought amongst themselves, and the castle changed hands multiple times. The English, led by King Edward I, eventually took control in the late 13th century, marking the decline of Dynevor as a Welsh stronghold. So we'll flight over with the drone and see what it looks like from above. Despite English dominance, Dynevor remained significant. It was later granted to various noble families, and in the 17th century, the powerful Rice family, descendants of the ancient Welsh rulers, built a grand mansion nearby, Newton House, which still stands today. Today, Dynevor Castle is a picturesque ruin, managed by the National Trust. It sits within the stunning Dynevor Park, where visitors can explore not only the castle, but also the beautiful landscapes, Deer Park and Newton House. The views from the castle remain as breathtaking as they were centuries ago, reminding us of its former glory. Dynevor Castle stands as a testament to the rich and often turbulent history of Wales. From a mighty royal fortress to a romantic ruin, it continues to capture the imagination of all who visit. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Welsh history and stunning aerial footage. So that was it, Dynevor Castle, near Llandovery. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next one.